The CineGlow Projector has been making waves online, promising a massive 150-inch cinematic experience with built-in streaming, 4K UHD support, and seamless connectivity. But does it really live up to the hype, or is it just another over-marketed gadget? After testing it out, I found that while the projector does function, it falls short of many of its claims. The so-called 4K UHD enhanced label is misleading. It doesn't actually project in true 4K resolution, but instead upscales lower-quality content. The claim that it has built-in Netflix, Disney+, and YouTube is also questionable, as many users have reported needing external devices to access these platforms properly. Another concerning sign is the abundance of overly positive, generic reviews on their website, which suggests they might not be entirely genuine. Additionally, the CineGlow Projector appears to be a drop-shipping product, meaning you could likely find a similar device under different branding at a lower price. While it does work for basic projection needs, its performance doesn't match the high-end premium experience the ads suggest. If you're on a budget, there are better alternatives from well-known brands that offer transparency, warranty, and real customer reviews. So is the CineGlow Projector a scam? Not exactly, but it is certainly overhyped, and you should think twice before buying into the marketing.